When embarking on a new project, the key to success lies in partnering with a professional and trustworthy engineering team. Whether you're adding a small machine or upgrading an entire section of your mill, conducting an engineering feasibility study is crucial. This study will help you determine the cost, duration, and potential risks of your project, allowing you to make informed decisions. At GMB Heavy Industries, our team of experienced engineers and project specialists ensures a successful outcome for every project. We provide a comprehensive range of engineering studies, offering detailed reports that deliver efficient feedback, valuable insights, and tailored recommendations throughout the process. Our engineering team is committed to delivering customized, innovative, safe, and cost-effective feasibility studies. We use the most advanced technologies to meet your unique requirements and provide accurate risk analysis, project cost estimates, and timelines. GMB Heavy Industries specializes in custom solutions, meticulously analyzing and modeling the rolling process to ensure the best outcomes. With a wide range of services, GMB is your one-stop shop for all engineering needs in the steelmaking industry. Trust us to provide reliable, customized engineering solutions that meet your specific goals, backed by our dedicated research and development team.